Welcome! In front of me I have Garett Women Nicole smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the time format on this smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the JU Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the JU Pro application on your phone. In the app, you should see the home page. Now, let's tap on the device icon. On this page, tap on the More Settings. And here you should see the time format option. Tap on it, and you can select System Default, 12-hour clock, or 24-hour clock. Select the one you like. I'm gonna select, for example, 12-hour clock. And then we can go back to the device page and close the app. And as you can see, time format changed to the 12-hour because we have the AM right here at the top. And that's how you change the time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.